make some banana cake!
Yay! So, we are gonna make banana cake. Both of us don't know it, so we'll look at some YouTube videos and then do it. Aida?
Yes!
High five. Yeah! Yeah! Let's do it!
Yes! Let's do it!
Sasha, what are you doing?
Stir to make a cake.
How many eggs?
2. There's 2 because if there's no 2, if there's 3, we'll make a donut. So we have to put 2 eggs.
Oh yeah.
So now we have to put sugar. So let's pour it in. Whoosh. So now we have to pour the melt butter
Yeah.
into the salt.
Do you need some help?
No, thanks.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's pour it in.
Good. And now you have to mix it properly.
Yeah, so mix it. So now we have to mash the bananas. So let's mash them up. Mash. Now I have to mash the banana.
You have already mashed the banana, so now you have to mix the mashed banana.
Oh yeah, I forgot, sorry.
ल राख्देऊ न त त्यहाँ.
Now we are putting the safe
Raising flour.
Now we're gonna pour it in carefully. Take one hand and pour.
Yeah. Now you mix it, yeah? Good. Sasha, you happy making cake?
Yeah, I am
You
making.
excited to taste the cake?
Yeah, I'm so.
Do you like cake?
Yeah, I love cake. That's so yum.
Okay.
I wish I got lots of cake. Now we're gonna put some dry fruits
Yeah?
in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
So let's put it in. We have to mix it properly.
Yeah? And then after that, what are we gonna do?
We gonna put it in the oven now.
Yeah.
Look, the cake is done.
Where is the cake?
There, look.
Oh, this is the cake?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what next?
Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Okay.
But be careful.
Yeah, you need to be super careful doing that. And then we'll wait 45 minutes. High five. Yeah. Sasha, excited to eat the cake?
Yes, I'm just looking.
We'll have to wait 45 minutes.
Okay.
See you after 45 minutes.
Yay, the cake is ready. But now we're gonna eat it. Yay!
Let us check. Ooh. Cut. खै राम्रोसँग Slowly. खै म हेल्प गर्छु ल. First, let's try a bit, है? ल, here.
Yum.
How is it?
Tasty.
It's hot?
Yeah. Tasty.
Tasty? High five. Say bye bye to everyone. That's how you make the cake, right?
Thank you for how to make the cake. Tomorrow I'm gonna teach you how to make a cake.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.